Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today I just wanted to do a quick video on how to change out any replacement parts on your Shark IQ vacuum. Very easy for the most part. First we'll start with the easiest is the side brushes. So if you want to change these out, it looks like there's a little screw, but it doesn't really do anything. These literally just pop on and off. So if you ever need to replace one of these, pop off the old one, snap right on the new one. Super easy, of course. Self-explanatory. That's not really one you need help with. The second one would be these rollers. Also very easy. Simply open that, grab it, pull it straight out. And if these are damaged, then you just simply pop in the brand new one. And that just goes in like that. And you flip this around, and that's done. Simple. Next one, I'll show you how to replace the battery. It's just these two screws. And I also give you the model number of the battery in case you ever need to replace yours. Okay, pops right out. Simply slides right up, and then it's just held on by a clip down there. Simple plug, pull it out, pop in your new one. So the battery that comes with the Shark IQ is obviously a OEM Shark battery, lithium ion. The model is RVB-AT850. This is a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and that's it. Simply plug and play like you would expect. Pop your new one down in there. Replace the cover. Very easy. And the last thing, the only other thing you'd ever have to replace is the air filter, which is also very easy. Just pinch these to pull off the dustbin. Let me show you the underside of the filter real quick. One thing you notice with this vacuum, still a ton of dust in here. You would think for a self-emptying robot, it would be able to clean out that spin better. And another thing I noticed that I don't like is there's always a ton of trapped, thick dust down there. This is the second time I've cleaned it off. The first time it was completely filled in. And the self-emptying part of this robot will not get this out, sadly. So every once in a while you will have to come out and grab that out by your fingers or hit it out into a trash can. I just wanted to point that out before I show you how to remove the filter. Once again, super easy. Right here, grab right there, pull it straight out. And then this whole replacement filter just literally slides right back in. So very easy. Props to Shark for making everything so easy to replace. And that is really it. That's all you got to replace on this thing ever. Hope you enjoyed that quick video. Just a quick demo of how to replace stuff. And if you like that, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to see anything else about this or any of my other robots, just throw it down in the comments and I can make a quick video for you guys. If you want to see this particular demo on any of the other ones, how to replace those batteries or whatnot, just let me know. All right, have a great day and catch you next time.